Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Vienna rolls. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success. Now let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, combine the warm milk, yeast, and sugar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Then, gradually add the flour, salt, and softened butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, ready for its first rise. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rest in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide it into 12 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 2 ounces, and then shape them into beautiful, smooth rolls. Almost there. Once your rolls are shaped, cover them loosely and let them have their second rise for 30 to 45 minutes. While they're rising, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Let them cool slightly before enjoying your warm, homemade Vienna rolls.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.